Center for Rural Empowerment and Development Organization CREDO na sinduna numit nini chupna chathagadaba mahairoi singi oiba science exhibition ama ngasidagi Khangabokta leiba MMRC Unity Park ta hogdokre. Awareness on science education and scientific applications as a future career for youths and students of ST and SC population of Thoubal district haibasida pangthokliba science exhibition adu hogdokpagi thauramda DM University Imphal gi Vice Chancellor Professor N Rajmohan na athoiba mithung KM Blooming Higher Secondary School Khangabokki Founder Chairman KH Manjor Mangang na thaurammapu National Institute of Technology Manipur gi Registrar Professor KH Tomba amasung Lilong Hauribi College ki Principal Dr. Rahizuddin Sheikh na akhanaba mithung oina saruk yaki. Niminini ki oiba science exhibition adu India government ki Ministry of Science and Technology ki makhada leiba NCSTC division ki sponsorship ka loinana pangthokpani. Science amasung technology ki lamda khwaidagi nauba awonba kaya maru oina robotics, artificial intelligence, biotechnology amadi atai kayasu utkadaba science exhibition asida ayuk pung 10 dagi nungthil pung 5 fawba mahairoi singna laktuna yengba yagani hairi. Science exhibition manungda saruk yaba lakpasingna National Institute of Technology Manipur ge scientists amasung engineer singa hakthengna wari watai sanabagi khudong chabasu pigani. Masigi mathakta tongan ba college singi science ki lamda khang hairaba singna su unaraga wahang pahung toba yagani. Mahairoi singi oiba quiz layekpa changdamnaba amasung akoibagi fibamgi matangda inau noba thizinbagi nungairaba khangbada kanaraba paudam kayasu thamli hairi.